Here is how to scrape Capterra alternatives of a product with no code knowledge. For this we'll need the Capterra scraper from Nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next press alternatives of a product. As you can see, we extracted this product alternatives. Now head to the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you can find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on alternatives of a product. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also the criteria to only scrape the products you're looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I'll export it to HTML. After exporting, here's the data we extracted.